Welcome to the Center for Kapampangan Studies of the Holy Angel University. A brief background about the center is that it was established in March of 2002 to promote and preserve our Kapampangan cultural heritage. The first thing you will see inside the center is its centerpiece, the retablo. It contains 23 saints, each representing the towns and cities in Pampanga, surrounding the patroness of the province, the Virgen de los Remedios. It was made by the woodcarvers of Betis and santeros of Macabebe. Right below it is a silver fitting made by the pukpuk makers of Apalit. The next piece is what we call the death masks, made by Kapampangan national artist Napoleon Abueva. The death masks are those of notable Kapampangan figures, Ninoy Aquino, who was from Concepcion, Tarlac, and Fernando Po Jr., whose maternal grandparents are from Candaba and Lubao. The CKS has two digital kiosks that features Kapampangan music, movies, games, nursery rhymes, and dictionaries for easy access. This next piece is titled Limbon, highlighting the different processions in the Kapampangan region. Limbon is the Kapampangan word for procession. It was carved by Boyat Flores of Betis and painted by Arnold Salunga of Angeles. This is the John A. Larkin Library. The John A. Larkin Library contains books and documents about Kapampangan history and cultures. We made it a one-stop library so that researchers do not have to go to other libraries in the Philippines and in other countries. The library also displays all the awards our publications and films have won.